Alright guys, so I'm going to do a quick review video on this. So my daughter's Nintendo Switch Lite was not turning on, wasn't charging or anything. So I want to give you guys a couple tips that might actually help you fix it. It's pretty simple to be able to take apart. First, you're looking at two Phillips head screws that are holding the front up here, two Phillips head screws that are folding here, and then your triple Y screws right there that are holding back the back panel. And then this is going to have four of those also on the back. Now, the two main places you want to look for is where the battery terminal is, which is up under that ribbon. This ribbon here. And this ribbon, which this is where my main problem is. And then these two here. Always unplug the battery if you are a professional or a DIYer. This is just a quick thing before I go ahead and tear this apart to go clean it. But let's try to clean this off and see if we can get it turned back on. All right, guys, so after cleaning it up, I'm hoping that we're able to save these tracers. I got it cleaned up the best I could. Might have to go more in depth on it, but let's see if we're good to put it together, see if it'll turn back on. So after you put your ribbon cables on and stuff back on, you want to put 4 bolts. But you got one that's going to be a gold bolt, one there, one there, and then one in the middle. My guys, so here we go. And we finally got a charged battery. But yep, that's how you turn around and try to fix your Nintendo Switch Lite. If it does not want to come on and you tried everything when it comes to your cables and so on and so forth. But hopefully this video helps. Peace.